Okay, up on this strategy here, you'll notice that a lot of the greens here, when they start, they must have bounced up here and then they bounce back. When they bounce back, now what I do is the 3-2 trap, which is you put in 3 greens, you pause a little bit as it's still going up, and then you put 2 reds there. And usually what happens, both of the greens win, and then it bounces back, and then you get the 2 reds. If it don't bounce back and get the 2 reds, at least you get the 3 greens and you still gain that way. But if it bounce back, you just getting way more money if it does decide to bounce back. But you don't lose in a situation like that because you're putting the, you're coming in right there on a bounce. And right now it's I think it's at 50-53, and then I'll get, but you see it. They're going to bounce back. Then I got in with 3 of them. Then I put 2 more in at the reds. And see, if it don't come back and get the reds, you still gained enough to where you gained the 3 more than 2, so you gain. Okay, so right now I did it again. There's the 3 in, then I put the 2 reds in. That time I got the 3 greens, and it came back down and got the 2 reds there. And that right up to 53.21. That right there, just moved right there, was about, you see right now it's at 53.21. And I think I started off at 50.53. That's where we started at. So like again, I say like, just kind of just waiting for that bounce. And just, see, this the one before where the 3 greens that win it, and it's still the green. I think the red still went up. I mean, the green still went up past the reds, but when it bounces back down in there, that's where you get that extra money from. See, in that case, it didn't come, but like I said, you still gain because you got 3 right, 2 wrong, so that means you still gain. Okay. But I got in right there on the bounce. Here we go, the 3 greens. I won the 3 greens. The red came back down, and I got the 2 reds. And that's how it went up to 53.21 right there. So that was really at 53.21, and I started off at 50.53. Almost $300 in that just one move right there.